Hi, my loves. Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. It's Saturday today, and I'm excited because I'm going to see my sister. I mean, it's been a while. I think the last time I saw her was um the last time I saw her, I think 3 or 4 months ago. Actually, it's more than that. But yeah. Anyway, pardon me. Welcome back to another vlog. I feel like I forget to say that, but yeah, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I hope you stick around because trust me, I'll give you quality, okay? Quality and fun. Yeah, maybe fun, but real life, Sha. I can promise you that is real life. I've got my sister right here. She's dressing up. I don't even understand what's going on. Why are you folding your shirt?
Because actually, I
feel like
this.
You don't want it to be long.
I don't want it to be long, but I also think it's too short for me to. Where's the shirt from?
I think it's New Look, but it's a different brand. It's actually the same brand as what I'm wearing, Blue Vanilla. I'm not familiar with the brand, to be honest, but I get it on New Look.
Actually, that's what do. So it's long enough, but not too long.
Sis, we need to speed it up because
I'm done. I think I'm done. Wow, I look so good. Do that again.
we're at the station now. We've missed our train, but we'll get the next one. Guys, I had to nap on the other train, but I can't nap on here because it's just loud. It's fine. Hi, my people.
I'm so hungry. Gosh. It's really not easy to vlog. And you vloggers, I don't know how y'all do it. People are actually staring at me weird. But anyway, it's so sunny. It's nice and sunny out here. Honestly, it certainly is not it. It's so ghetto. Having to wait for like the train. I mean, it flipping took us almost over an hour actually.
I feel like it'd be a stressful drive though, to drive all the way down here.
Not really. It's probably more straightforward. The train took us flipping 1 hour. Actually over an hour because we're waiting for it. They kept cancelling. And then we got on the train.
By the way, is the camera facing me or yourself?
You, not me.
Because you're talking. So
Doesn't matter. It doesn't have to. Anyway, as I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted.
Stare into the camera, like into the lens.
Where's the lens?
The
Oh,
lens
that
right
one.
here.
Oh, bloody. That's stuck for like you're not supposed to swear. Actually, can't wait to see Rakiba. It'd be nice to see her.
Honestly, the lighting is so great here. I can't help but look at myself.
Vain much.
It's not vain. I'm just talking about the lighting.
Vain much. Vain.
Hi, my loves. What are we here to do today?
Well, we were supposed to bake today, but why do I have a feeling Rakiba started like baking because any late comers.
I don't think so. I don't think
so.
so.
Just be late to everything. Though I blame you partially.
Why?
But at the same time, I blame Great Western Railway. Honestly, how come I'm wasting time anyhow? Bloody waste of space sometimes.
Uh-huh.
I'm sorry, I'm not supposed to swear. Astaghfirullah, 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 astaghfirullah.
This lady. Cut the cameras.
Just the pieces on the table.
Anyway, I'll catch you guys later. Let's stop yapping. Alright.
Are you content creator? So, what did you put inside? That's celery,
Onions?
spring onion, and manchete.
Oh, I've never heard of that. Manchete.
It's for making like stir fry. This one.
Right.
You'll see it in stir fries a lot.
How do you fry for?
I just want the celery to get soft a bit because celery can be quite hard.
Yeah, I found a recipe I'm gonna try this
I
weekend.
just keep stirring. It's supposed to be more of a vegetable soup, but this week you can turn. I'm gonna turn it to a curry and add coconut milk into it.
Fair enough.
The recipe I did doesn't have
I like this pot actually. I feel like it's bigger.
That's
No,
your
but it's
Transcendental now.
it's
Don't you have
this
one?
one is bigger though. 5
Actually, yours
liters.
is different
I
from
have
the
a
one.
7 liter. It's in there.
7
I
liters.
think they put different types.
Yeah.
Because
Nah.
Aisha's.
I'm going to
Costco is
check
different.
Costco again.
No, I bought it directly from their website.
That's
I
the
think it's more
thing.
expensive on there though. Is it just
No,
me?
no,
To be
it's
honest, I
different.
just bought it.
Different.
I was like, you know what? I need a new pot.
It's actually different the way they do it because
The pot I had is the one I've been using for like, let me say,
Yeah.
it's the one I've been using for like 7 years. And like, I need a new pot and I need it now. So I just bought it. I did even check elsewhere that and I didn't even have a Costco card. So.
Yeah.
what I did realize with food is if you go to like if you go for their traditional like local places, their food the best. All the stupid, oh my.
50 grams. Hey, people, all right.
It's too much. And you're still going to add brown sugar too.
Exactly.
How much brown sugar?
100.
I like how brown sugar looks though. I don't know if it's just me.
I want them more.
Yeah, it will complement the
Yeah, the deficit in this.
yeah.
This is still a bit warm.
Maybe let's leave that one.
No, it's fine. It's
Or are
fine.
you going to put it on
It's
it?
fine. It's fine.
Yum, yum.
So many. Any good?
Very good. It's amazing.
Hi, Papa. Come.
It's gonna miss you.
That's mozzarella.
I'm gonna miss you, sis. But I'll see you soon, inshallah.
Inshallah, because that's
Sis, are you gonna bring Yasser?
great. Bye, Papa.
Sis.
See you later.
No worries.
Where's the taxi?
Where's mom? Bye, mom. Love you.
Love you.
Love you, sis. Oh. Say bye, grandma. Good morning. Today is the last day of my kit day. It's been a great 10 days, I'm not gonna lie. It's been good for me, which was what I needed.
To her just to show support to her channel, like, and I felt that 100% when she said that. So it's just like you can use little ideas from other people, but just try to be 100% authentic to yourself. There's so much longevity in being you. You will always be you. You can only only be somebody else but so much before you run out of ideas. What else I had to talk about?
Good morning. Right. Right now I have someone. Yasim, can I hear wood? Right now I have someone over to come clean the oven because I just haven't had the time. I said I was going to do it myself, but in this life, if you can't create time for something, you have to pay for the service. So that's what I had to do. But yeah, but hopefully it's done the way I would love it to look, like it's done properly, like the way I would clean it with passion. But yeah. I'll catch you guys in a bit. Alright. Okay, that looks good. Wasn't this one cleaned at all?
Yeah. It's just smear marks or so. Sometimes these little bits don't come off, they're burnt off.
Alright. I've made the remaining payment, so...
I need to take the payment now?
No, I've made it. I called up.
Oh, have you already made it? Okay,
yeah. I'm not sure if this was worth it because now I've got more work to do. Why so much mess? Like, where is that? Yeah, sir, I'm gonna put you down, okay? Sit and play. Okay. Papa. That's simple. Like, there's so much mess, and I didn't think the person did a great job. Like, I can do better. What the hell is this? Like, what the hell is this? Pardon my language, astaghfirullah. But I could do a better job, and I kind of wish I listened to my mom. She was like, you can do this yourself and you would do it better. But I'm like, Mom, I didn't have the time. Blah, 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 blah. And I mean, £40 down the drain. £40 down the drain. This isn't clean enough. This is even worse. Like, why am I still seeing marks? Why am I still seeing this like brown burnt marks? Ugh. Nonsense. And look, they stained my cabinet. All the floors. And another thing that pissed me off is I told the guy to take his shoes off because I don't allow shoes in my house. Just take it off in the hallway. And it was like, I'm sorry, I can't take it off. It's what did he even say? Health and safety. I'm like, hey, what does that have to do with health and safety? I beg. It's not even making sense. As I was saying, guys, I'm not very happy with that service at all. I feel like I should have just done it myself. I would do a better job for sure. But it is what it is. That's gone now. I've learnt my lesson for another time. But yeah, it is what it is. I'll take my L on this one. But yeah. I'll see you guys later.